I'm Vic Russel with Russels Metal Spinning in Campbellsville, Kentucky. I needed to make an automatic spinning machine cost effectively. The physical machine was fairly straightforward, but the electronics for the 5-axis Jog-Learn control were not. I had talked to several large companies and was not having a whole lot of success. I had just about given in to using a traditional CNC controller, but I was able to get a hold of a man named Scott Schaefer down in Tennessee, and he was able to design me a 5-axis Jog-Learn software using Mach, and it also uses a PC. It is cost effective, it's robust, it works well, and I like it because it has off-the-shelf components that we can readily get if we have problems with anything tearing up. However, I must say that the machine has proven so far to be really durable, and we run it at least 8 hours every day, sometimes 2 and 3 shifts. So I must say that I'm pleased, and I was able to find Scott through Automation Direct. He has a company down in Tennessee, as I said, SS Systems, and I would have to recommend him, and I plan to have a continuing long-term relationship with him. Thank you for your time.